Hello everyone, my name is Adam Allure and I'm the founder and CEO of Wavve Boating, and today I'm going to show you how to record a route or trip, as you might call it. All we need to do is head to the navigation, the bottom menu there. In the top right you will see record trip. I'm going to tap that. And right there the recording trip function will begin. So while I'm out on the water, unfortunately today I am not. I'm on land, but let's say I'm enjoying myself out boating right now. The total elapsed time will be recorded, as well as the average speed throughout that journey. You can still see your current speed in the bottom left there. And at any given time, you can easily zoom in and zoom out of the map with the buttons there, or simply using the zoom gestures. So now let's pretend I've done my recording of, I was at my friend's place and I'm heading back home to my home port, and I want to record that because I want to load that up later. So I'm now back home and I'm ready to end my recording. What I'll do is tap the arrow at the bottom right there. That'll bring up this menu. At this point I will choose to end recording. And from here you can see, basic metadata of that recording that I've just done. I'm going to give it a name, so let's call it recording. Okay. And I'm going to tap save. Get a notification, hey, your route has successfully been saved. And voila. Now, let's say I want to load that back up. I'm going back out to my friend's place. I'm just going to head to navigation, and there it is. I can see that in my list of available routes. I'm going to tap that, and from there I can hit start, and that's going to load that route back to my map so I can follow that as I would like. One other key note, when you are recording a route or a trip, you will see like a breadcrumbing of where you have been. So again, easy to follow, recording all those latitude and longitudes as you move forward. If you have any questions, please reach out to our team at community@waveboating.com. We're always here to help. Thanks for your time.